What's up guys, my name is Brian and again welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you the song called Before I Let Go by Beyonce. This is a homecoming bonus track, so let's start. Okay, let's start. So from here, you're gonna go side up, 1 and 2. So your legs, 1 and 2. Alright, then your arm, 1 and 2. So we go from here, side, 1 and 2 to the front, 3 and 4. Side, 5 and 6. You're gonna need to point to the front, 7 and 8. That's right, 5, 6, 7, and go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6.7 and smile. Again, 5, faster, 5, 6 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For the second 8, we finish on this one. So from here, we're gonna use your hips like that, twice only. Going to the center, 7, 7, 8, go 1 and 2. From here, you're gonna turn 3, so noisy, 4, then 5, 6, down on 7, go up on 8. Alright? Your hand is free, you can put anywhere you want. Okay, let's try again. So 7, and 8, go 1 and 2, turn around, hit it, sit, lower, go out. Good job. One more time, 5, faster this side, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, next. What's up, next one. So you end up on here. So from here, right legs. From here, you're gonna step to the back twice. Then V shape goes like 1 and 2. Again, 7, 8, and 1, 2. From here, you're gonna step 5, 6. Then flip your hair. 6. Drop again. This time, left. And just 10, 8, all right? Again, 7, 8, to the back, 2, 3, 4, hair drop, 7, and up. Let's try again faster, 5, 6, 7, 8, go, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, drop, 7, and 8. Yes, you're gonna flip your hair. So when you step to the front, flip your hair, drop, and change your legs. Again, 5, 6. Ready? So step from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Hair, drop, and change. So from here, you're gonna cross your legs. You're gonna hear the lyrics. Cross your legs. Turn around and clap. You're gonna go 1, 2, turn around, then jump. At the same time, you clap. So the lyrics said, cross your legs, shoulder up, turn around, and clap. Good. From here, you're gonna raise your left, right, left. So let's do it fast. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2. So this is 5 and 6. Cross. 7. Then you're gonna pose. 8. Yeah. Make sure you show your curve. Yeah, like taking picture. Make yourself beautiful. Alright, let's try. 5, 6, 7, and cross your left, shoulder up, turn around and up. Tap. Hop. Don't look to the mirror first. You look to that and at the same time pose. That's right, faster. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. pulse. Good job. From here, 7 and 8. You're gonna rush it. 1, 2. Body, 3 and a 4. Close on 5, 6, 7, and 8. And close again. One more time. 7 and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Sorry, 2 only. Alright? So T, 2, low, low, and close. Alright? Again. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from here, you gotta step to the front. 1, 2, down 3, and a 4. One more time. Be careful while doing this one. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and low, low. Alright, then side, side, and side, click open. One more time. So this is side, side, last, cross, open. Going to the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and down, down, step. Step, step, click. Alright, let's try from here. 7, 8, go 1, 2, and 3, 4, close, 5, low, 7, 8, 1, 2, and lower, lower, 5, 6, 7, snap. And 8. So this one you're gonna do any pose you like. It's freestyle. You're gonna go 1, 2, and drop. 1, 2, sorry, 3 times. 6, 7, and pose, 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 and drop. Drop to your left. Then you're gonna go up on a 5, a 6, a 7, to close. As simple as this. 5, 6, 7. You can do anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So from here, you're gonna hear step to right, step to left, 6, 7, and step to right, step to right, to left, then right, left. Let's start 7, 8. All right. Then after here, you're gonna do anything slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, and move back 5, 6, 7. Finish! I'm so happy. Alright, let's try again. From here, 7 and 8. You're gonna pose. Ta-da, 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 drop, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Step to right, step to left, 5, 6, third, and 8. Then slowly 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Good job. Okay, let's try all of it from the beginning. Let's combine all of it. Let's try 5, 6. Let's do slowly. 7 and go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6.7, 8 to the side. 6, 3, 4, 5, 6 down, 7, 8 up, side, hair 5, down, 7, 8, down, 1, 2, 3, and 6, and 7, 8. Okay, you can do this, you can do the 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, close, 5, 6, and 7, 8, front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and close. Okay? Then 1, 2, 3, and right, turn around, 5, and 2, 3, back 5, 6, and 7, close. Yeah! Good job, guys! Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and see you soon.